So recently, WhatsApp rolled out a features that actually allows its users to connect multiple phones at the same time using the primary phone to link up to 4 devices. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect same WhatsApp on about 4 devices. So this is what you can actually do. First step, you need to download the WhatsApp. You can either use WhatsApp Business or WhatsApp, and you can get it from Play Store or from App Store, wherever device that you are actually using. Then open your WhatsApp. This is my main WhatsApp. Then on the top right, you'll see the 3 dots. Tap on it, and you can see down is showing linked devices. So tap on that, and after tapping on that, you can actually see the provision of linking a device. As you can see right now, I already have 1 of 4 devices linked. There's a phone already. It's my phone, Realme, already linked, and I'm actually able to use WhatsApp on this very phone and also on my Realme C25Y phone. So this is how you can do it. Just tap on linked a device, and then what you're going to see here is you'll be able to go to the other device, also open the WhatsApp, and then also on the top right, tap on it and tap on linked device. Then you can be able to scan the QR codes using your phone camera, and it's actually that easy. So if your device is having a biometric authentication, you may have to follow the on-screen instruction to allow it or give the permission, and if you don't have that enabled, you will be prompted probably to enter the PIN or to unlock your screen, and you can just scan, and it is as easy as that. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it has helped you. Please subscribe to this channel for more tech videos.